Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the battery life of this Mi11X device. As you can see, friends, so a lot of users they did ask me to do this kind of video on the explaining about the battery life of this phone because the phone has got very less battery capacity, 4520 mAh of battery capacity, so which should be enough for the 1 day of usage. But for 2 days of usage, so you need to think again twice before buying this device, friends. So let's see what is the screen on time I'm getting in this phone. So for the past 24 hours, I was using with a 4G data connection and with a 120Hz refresh rate and this live wallpaper in the background, as you can see here. So I'll try to do another video with the 60Hz using as well and with the Wi-Fi connection as well. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech, and also do check the links in description for the playlist of the Mi11X device. So where you can find so many videos already uploaded on this mobile phone alone. So try to check the links in description for more details. So let me try to quickly show you the details about the battery life statistics. So here is the battery statistics, and let me try to show you 120Hz. So I'm using this 120Hz as well throughout the time, and it is a battery capacity, and right now the battery percentage is of 38%, and I'm using it with the 4G data connection continuously, as you can see here. And this is our usage for the past 23 hours, so close to 24 hours. And screen on time I got about 3 hours and 24 minutes. So right now the battery percentage is 38%. So overall, if I continue the usage of this phone for the next couple of hours, so maybe the screen on time I might be able to reach up to 5 hours of screen on time. So this overall screen on time, friends, you'll be expecting in this phone. So 4 to 6 hours of screen on time is definitely possible in this smartphone. So if you're using 120Hz refresh rate and with 4G data connection, so these are what the statistics are. So during this time of usage, I did not play much games, so there is no games involved, as you can see the statistics. So no games involved only. So during this time, so if you play the games, then definitely the battery life might get decreased. So these are the few things you need to know before buying this smartphone, which has 4520 mAh of battery capacity. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. For more details, make sure to check the links in description, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.